Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels with Canva. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically, the easiest way is just to go to models or templates and choose a template for uh, Instagram Reel. Or you can simply start everything from scratch by clicking on video, and from here you will find this video, story, media, etc. And from here we can simply click on Reel Instagram, and then we will start having a reel from scratch, and we will have just a blank page. But in case you use templates, you will find many Instagram Reels. So I'm just going to type Instagram Reel, and then we can search for many templates that we can start adding from. So let's choose anything. For example, let's choose this one. So I'm just going to click on it, and basically you can just search for any free templates and click on personalize. And from here, you can start creating your own content. So the first thing that you would need to see is uh, the timeline. And basically, you can click here so you can see your everything. And from here, you can find animations. You can choose when things can appear. Those are the videos, etc. And basically now you can see the timeline from here, and you can start adding many images, and it will be showing from here. So this is the video. Then you can have to make sure, for example, this video to be moving or whatever. So we can go from here, and then you can start switching to somewhere else, etc., etc. And basically, this is how you can start creating reels with Canva. And at the end, you click on share and then download, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.